god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to another day. Today we are in Austria, Salzburg. And right now I'm making breakfast with the leftover pizza that we had last night. And we don't have a microwave, so I'm using this. It looks good. So the water here is drinkable from the tap, which is really cool. Also, I just woke up, so don't mind me. But it's really nice out here. I just missed it, but there was a little kitty right there. Black and white cat. More cats.
Thank goodness for internet. Totally screwed.
Here's the pizza.
I got a scoop of peanut butter.
Think it's ready. That means it's hot. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this breakfast. What's up, you guys? We're eating breakfast outside on the little patio area here. But yeah, this looks really good. No ranch, unfortunately. I'd throw some ranch on there and it would be really good, but it's still gonna be very good. Yeah, but I'm gonna eat this pizza and this water over here with the Austria atmosphere. Very nice. What's up, guys? We just finished that pizza. It was really good. Here with my view. I just wasn't feeling the crust today, so I didn't, or this morning, I wasn't eating it. But last night I ate it. But yeah, this morning the crust, I wasn't feeling it. But yeah, now we're about to leave to the salt mine. Do you want to be on the video? Anyways.
What before was a small wood bridge. The first metal bridge was 1880. In the Second World War, they damaged it. The bridge now, 1944, they built. The river here is named Salzburg.
What's up, you guys? We made it to the salt mine tour area. It's cool. Outfits. And we watched that little film about salt. Now I think we're going down.
We better get, yeah. Oh. No pocket. I don't have anything.
Guys, we're on this little bench.
I didn't say anything.
Right, guys, we're on our way. Alright, guys, we're off the little train. We made it to this mysterious room. What's up, guys? You can't see me, but we're crossing the border into Germany from Austria through the mine here. What do you think?
I think it's lit.
Always lit with sky. We're gonna go through the border. It's the oldest thing. The oldest, like, what, treaty? What did it say? State treaty of border or something. The mine, I guess. I have no idea. I don't get it. But we're going in. Here it is. Here is the international border. It's a little overexposed. We're in Germany.
Feet up and go.
Wait. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Well, that was cool. It was a little scary. We went down the slide.
You want me to record you? Wow.
More dripped out. And the white.
So, das ist die Sohle. Bei einer Raumtemperatur von 10 Grad hat das Salzwasser.
Look, guys, we can taste the salt.
Electrolytes. Is this electrolytes? It's salt water.
It's very salty. 25%.
Electrolytes.
Alright, guys, now we're on the boat.
Ich könnte nämlich gerne Fotos machen. So we have just to wait a few seconds.
Okay.
So you know the rules. Feet up.
Okay.
Have fun.
Thank you. Oh frick. Oh my god.
Oh, this one's long.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Whoa. Okay, that one was really long.
Okay, good.
Good thing we didn't have Mimi go on there. It's like roller coasters.
Früh die Erwachsenen beim Abbau unter Tage. Sie könnten für die Beleuchtung zuständig gewesen.
We're gonna try the salt. What do you think?
It's really tasty.
Filming? Oh, it's like. Very good. Very salty.
Get me.
Oh, it's really salty. It's like a chip made of salt. Alright, guys, now we're gonna try the rock salt. How is it?
Oh, it's salty. It's good. It tastes a little like vegetables.
Give me vegetables.
Can't really see.
Leider sind wir schon am Ende unserer Tour angelangt. Ich möchte mich an dem Glück auf euch bedanken. Ihr könnt natürlich gerne auch die Kettenstationen bewundern. Unfortunately, our tour is over. I hope you enjoyed it. And I will thank you.
Alright, you guys, we're leaving the salt mine now.
Es geht gerne ein Foto machen. Danke. Welcome.
Alright, we're headed up the escalator with our little salt thing. Alright guys, we're back. We're out of the mine. It's got a mind of its own. Just kidding. What's up guys?
Excuse me.
What's up?
Excuse me.
What's up guys? Just mine the salt. What's up guys, we just finished mining the salt. It was good, first day on the job. Now we're gonna go check out the scenery, see how it is. That is cool, dude. You guys were on the bus down from the salt mine. We don't know how to pay, so we're thinking about just running away from the bus. But we have a long ride back to the city. We just got off at the first stop, actually second stop. We have no idea where we are. I think we're at a train station now. So now I think we're waiting for the train. We got off the bus. What's up you guys? We're at the train station waiting for our train. We're using Apple Maps and it tells you all the train stops and stuff and where to go. It's really convenient. But at the little vending machine here, they had this item for sale, and to me it seems like some kind of Slim Jim with a tortilla wrapped around it. So oh, I thought it was frozen for a second, but it's just really hard. Maybe it is partly frozen. But
I think vlogging is supposed to be not like.
Oh yeah.
it tastes like a Slim Jim wrapped in a tortilla. But yeah, so we're waiting for the train too in a sec. What's up you guys, we got off the train and now we are walking back to our house. Rainy day outside, beautiful. Guys, we're outside, we're on our way to the grocery store. It's raining. Raining here in Austria.
I really want to get another tool.
We are in the grocery store. What's up guys, we got groceries at the grocery store and we're carrying them back home. It's a bit of a walk, but we're gonna make it. Yeah. Alright, what's up you guys, we made it back with our groceries and now we're gonna relax until 4 o'clock, which is when we have our walking tour. Hopefully it's not raining, but it's not really right now. But yeah, so I'll see you when we're going to our walking tour, I guess. Hey guys, so that's gonna be the end of part 1 for vlog number 7. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the salt mine tour. And the next one is gonna be our walking tour around the city and then dinner. But yeah, so check out the next one and like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.